Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Here's my second video to this little beam pocket repair, masonry repair. What you want to do with these is get a good structural grout. I mix my own. I have a mix that I've been using for about 20 years that works really good. It doesn't set up too fast or too slow. The main thing with these is you want to do little coats at a time. Let that cure. And you want to do another small thin coat. So it's going to take about 6 or 8 coats to get this on there. But that's going to make it, it's going to be the strongest repair you can do. A lot of people try to just get it up there real thick too much. And that's not going to have near the strength. So you do a little skim coat like this on both sides. Once that cures, do another one. Just repeat till you take it out to the depth that you want. Jade Alpine, follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.